What's up, guys? Sorry for the delay. Um, I actually woke up a little bit late today. But let's get right up into this. This is the area I'm looking at. So this way. So you can see here, overnight we had a little bit of a push, and then as soon as 5:30 hit, actually a little bit sooner. Time did the news come out? Yeah, unemployment came back more than expected. See if price gives it to its most recent high to the most recent low. Right here is about the 50% level. So I kind of do like this level up here. I just don't know if it's going to make it. So, what's up, Travcom? Appreciate you for hopping on. Sorry to hop on late. Um, I mean, we could see it reject this right here. Again, support, 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 resistance, resistance. I mean, it looks like it's going to possibly do it right here, like just reject it, unfortunately. But let's see. Let's see if it gives us something a little bit cleaner. At least a little bit more of a retracement back to the upside, so we can catch the trade up here, and we'd be looking at something like at least that, at least up to this level, but preferably up there. Damn, that shit flew down, but let's see. So on the 1 minute, rejecting this little, um, well, you can see. Hopefully it gets this push up. Let's see. Oh, you can tell a lot of sales are coming in right now. Prices kind of staying down. Uh, Man, I want to put a sell in, but I'm not sure. You know what? Fuck it. I just put a couple cells in, small cells. If it flies up right now, then I'm fucked. But I just put some cells in right now. Just looks like it's rejecting the area a little too much. So, I mean, let's see if it can push down. One of the areas of interest that we gotta be the obstacles that can take us out. Oh, I don't like that at all. I just pulled my entire trade right now. I probably shouldn't have, but I did. I just didn't trust it. It looks like it's pushing up with that rejection on the 1 minute. I pulled my entire trade. After I seen it finish like that in the last second, I knew it was coming up. So I rejected again. Still like using that as resistance, but man. All right, 57 seconds. I just put another sell in. I like the way that candle finished, but this is big right here. If it doesn't push down right here, then I'm gonna just stay away. I entered again. Looks like I took an unnecessary loss. Um, let's see. I put some bigger positions in now. So I'm at in about. I think I'm going to move my stops to break even though we're only up about 20 pips. Um, yeah, I'm going to move my stops to break even. Oh, shit. It's staying real stagnant right now. Yeah. I broke even right now. Um, damn. I broke even on the trade right now, so see if we can get it up here. Dang, you didn't quite reach it. So, damn, it didn't quite reach my area. Sorry. You tell me that was it. Damn. Yeah, it looks like it should reach it, but shit. Man. Put in a smaller cell, but shit, I was hoping to get up to like the 600 area. I'll be careful what you ask for, huh? I'm in there. Got in at about 83, so could use this area of support and then fly up, which is a real possibility. Um, but let's see. Let's see how it's using this as a support level. We got to get through here. We got to break through all this. That's what we need to do. So let's see. I guess I am in. See if it breaks through. It's got to break through here. If it doesn't, then it's not looking all that great. We'll see. Like the way it finished. Okay, well, I mean, it's pushing. See what it does. Okay. I don't like these rejections right here. Now, if the body pushes to sit on top right here and push up, see, that's an issue, right? We need it to break below here. It's still early in the clock, 51 seconds. Let's see if we can really get a push down. I mean, there's still a lot of time for price to just not even do what we want it to do. So we got to make sure we see that. Kind of like where we're headed, though. Let's see if it can break this. That's the biggest thing, right? All right, we're in business. I mean, I'm up pretty big right now. Let's see. I don't know. Let's see. See if it can break below here. Something about this little level right here, right? Man, something about this little level right here. See if it can keep it though. Make sure to take profits where you're happy at. We're up about 60 pips right now. So take profits, wherever you're happy, take them. Um, because this is a big area of interest right here, right? So with this being such a big area of interest, there's a lot of support. You can see it's rejecting this area still. Just be careful because we're already up 50 pips. And if you're happy with profits, take them, you know. So this is a key area right here. I'm going to definitely take some profits right here. Um, just pulled my bottom position, secured 200, just to put me over that limit. And I'm up a good amount right now. Man, this is a huge area of interest right here. I think I'm going to pull half of this trade as well. All right. So that secured me a $400 day. Now we got a point zero 0.03 running. See what happens. Truthfully, I think we could take it down here, maybe a little bit farther with the news that came out, but let's secure profits and then we'll see what happens from here. You can see it's already rejecting this zone right here, right? So let's see if it can keep the momentum down and, we can do that. So look at the 15 minutes about to end. So let's see how it's about to look. That's the bigger question. Yeah, you see how it's rejecting this area? That's why I took some profits from here. I mean, let's see. You know what I mean? Let's see what it can do. Hopefully it uses all this as resistance. Can use these levels as resistance and just continue to come down. But you can see it's pretty heady. The 1 minute, it's getting a nice push. So hopefully, because I don't know, I've been seeing this little instance of where price is breaking below the previous lows, all these previous lows, and then it comes and hits this area and then it flies up. So I don't like it necessarily that it does that, because usually for me this means a confirmation that price is coming down. But you can see it's already rejecting a good amount. So what do we have? It was about 77 pips at the peak. Now let's see if it can use this as resistance. Boom, come down. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know, but let's see. Let's see if it can continue its push down. Still got 8 seconds. Let's see if it can hold it. Right? Up about 50 pips right now. Still getting a lot of pull to the upside, right? I think a lot of people see this area as a buy area, which it could be true, right? Because, I think this is a possible break of structure. Yeah, that's a 60, that's a 78.6 retracement right there. So that's not too shabby, you know. 78.6 retracement, IOC. Damn, maybe I should have pulled it all. Damn, that turned I was up, secured 400, had another 200 plus, 220. Damn. Yeah. Stop me out. Break even. Um, damn. I guess I was getting greedy there, you know what I mean? So 51 pips, 83. So at my peak, I was able to secure about 70, yeah, 77 pips. So guess I got a pretty fucking spot. Let's see what happens from here. I don't honestly. I don't think I'm gonna take any um, trades anymore. I guess I can leave it like that. I don't think I'm gonna take any trades anymore for the simple fact. Um, I mean, unless it gets up here, because I don't know what it is with this area. There's this little breaker candle. 27 seconds left. I like the wicks, but I think it should come up to our area. Let's see. And yeah, I guess I was getting greedy. I shouldn't have. Oh shit, that shit's pushing. Got into our zone, but I don't know. I don't necessarily like it, but seems like there's a lot of momentum. Fuck it, we should just try it. What am I risking? 30 pip, stop loss. Actually, now that I see the 5 minute 50 EMA, let's see if we get a reaction here. I'm not in any trade right now, but let's see if we get a reaction. Shit, looks like it's pushing. I'm not in the trade yet. Shit. Um, I mean, shit. Now we got like a 2 pip stop loss, huh? But it looks like it's pushing pretty heavy. Yeah, look at that. Or 15 minute up here. 15 minutes up here. Looks like it's somewhat respecting it, right? I think I might take some. I have a little line right here at 625. I think I might take it right here. Even though, it looks like that's a big push. I think I might. Let me see how this last 5 minute ended. 138. Yeah, that's an inverted hammer. You can usually signal a reversal. Where would my stop loss be? So if I were to get in up here, so say right here, right here. And shit, it's kind of hard to say where my stop loss would be. Would it be all the way this? It's a little too much for me. I'm not in any trade yet. Yeah, look at that shit's flying too. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I mean, let's see if we get a bigger reaction because it looks like it's just pushing up. You go to the 1 minute. Yeah, look at it. It's kind of using this as support. I would wait to see if it breaks below here and then maybe does like a little retest. Then we could see if it's going to do that. Hit this house. By 24 seconds left. Let's see how this candle finishes right here and we'll see if we could enter. Let's see. If it finishes real bearish, and the next one does too, then I think we could enter and use this as a stop loss, you know? So let's see. But if it uses this as a support and then pushes back up, then, you know, it's nothing. So I'm not in any trade yet. Okay, I like that. Okay, let's see if it breaks below here because it's still using this ILC as a support, right? So let's see if it breaks below. It's not really strong enough for me because I feel like it's still, you could see it right here. It's still respecting this, right? Finish all that great. I haven't entered anything yet. Um, I don't really like the way it finished. Now, if this turns bearish down here, then I'll think about taking it. But see that? See, still 33 seconds left. See how this candle finishes right here. If it finishes real bearish, the next candle we could see a little pump fake up, and then come down. 13 seconds. Let's see how it finishes. Want it to like finish real bearish. Yeah, yeah. 3. Okay, I like that. Like that finish. See if you get that little pump fake up. Trace down. I entered the sell right now. Um, you know, let's see what's what. Now it could use this as it's still in the ILC. Can still use it as support. Understand the risk. I'm only gonna risk 34 pips right here, and if it stops me out, I overtrade. Well, it's only my second trade, so I'm just trying to believe in the trade at this point, right? So let's see if it can break through all this. If not, you know, move to stops. As soon as we break below here, I would move stops to break even because we could see rejections here at the ILC, 20 EMA, this ILC, 50 EMA. But first we got to get through here, right? So let's see. Shit. I just might move my stops to break even right now. I don't care. See that? How it uses the top of the 5 minute as a support level? See that? It came back down. So I don't like that at all, right? And shit. You guys heard that? That was crazy. Yeah, I don't like it. Don't like it at all. I need to see this thing fall right now in the 1 minute. This is what happened to me yesterday, where I got eaten up, and I'm not gonna let it happen to me again. So if it finishes on the 1 minute real bullish like that, then I'm gonna get the fuck out. Yeah, I'm gonna get out. I pulled it. Took a $63 loss, and shit. I guess I could have waited for my stop loss, but I don't know. When I see it respect this and push all the way up real bearish or bullish like that and finish that way, engulfing the last 3.5 candles, you know, guess there's not really no need. Shit. Stagnating. Man, it looks like it's kind of respecting it. Looks like it's kind of respecting it, but I'm trying to learn from the lesson that I took yesterday, which is once you see it using this area as support, it's possible that it could push back up to the upside. So, you could see the rejection on the 5 minute, but look at this one. It just started and it could come down and, do all that, but you can see it's kind of, the momentum's kind of pulling it to the upside right now, but I do like the rejection. You can see the 15-minute right here. Let's see if it breaks below again. Man, I'd rather take a small loss than a big loss, but look at that. Oh, shit. Might enter again. Might be later, but well, I like that. Like that. That's a nice finish for that 1 minute. Okay. Just entered a little sum right now. Let's see. All right, I'm in around 13. I mean, if it reverses on me here, then fuck it. It is what it is. I got to learn from. That's one of my bigger things is like when I have a bad day. Well, I mean, yesterday was a good day overall. I got lucky. But when I have a bad day in terms of like over trading and, you know, getting my stop losses hit, losing a couple hundred here, a couple hundred here, that's kind of the psychology of trading is like, that shit's real, man. Like that shit's real. So, it is what it is. But, yeah. I could be completely wrong here. I never recommend to put in this many trades, and usually stick to just one trade, right? Just stick to that. And let's see, I took a 13 pip stop loss, and this one, oh, pips. I'm not up that many pips. I'm only up about 2 pips. No pips. Yeah, that's about right. So you can see the mistake I made is I had a better position up here. I didn't let price hit my stop loss up here. If I if I didn't, I would have never taken that loss. I wouldn't be entering shorter. I still don't necessarily like it, man. Still in this area, respecting it. I don't know. But we're in it already, so let's see if it comes our way. Because you can see it's still respecting the 5 minute 50 EMA. Like it's still respecting the shit out of it. See that, right? We got a minute and 37. So this thing could completely reverse on us and turn bullish up here, unfortunately. So, let's see what happens. This 15-minute looks good if it could come down. But I don't know, because look at it, this 15-minute. A lot of momentum to the upside. But I'm not going to take another unnecessary loss. Let's just see if we could see that the loss. Let's go get this money. Yeah, you see, it's not really breaking it right now. We don't have any other news today, right? No, we don't. Yeah, gas story. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna push up. Whoops. You see how it has the momentum? Yeah, and I think I said this a couple days ago or last week. Like, if it's not going your way, then it's probably not going your way. But you see how it keeps wicking out of this area? It's still using it as support. So yeah, and it just finished at 5. Let's see how the 5-minute looks. Ooh, see how the 5-minute. Oh, that 5-minute looks actually pretty fucking great. Still holding, but it's still using it as fucking support. It's 5-minute 50 EMA. See how it's still using it? I don't like that, but I'm gonna just try and focus on this 5-minute candle engulfing this, and hopefully we can see a push down right here. Hopefully this isn't a breaker structure breaking these little small highs on the 1-minute, but you can see it's still respecting it, which I don't like. See if we could just break below here. Wow, shit's still doing it. I hope this shit falls right here. Let's see. Okay, okay. And it's not really, I mean, let's see. Still a lot of time left. Damn, yeah, I don't know. I mean, let's just see if it does what we want it to. If not, you know, fuck it. We're in profit right now. I think I'm gonna move my stops to break even. I just don't like what it's doing all the way. So I'm gonna move my stops to break even, I think. Um, we're only up about 8 pips. Mm, see that? That's why. Damn. Ah, fuck. Just stop me out. Fucker. Did it too soon. Back in this bitch. Let's see. Damn, I hate when I do that. It's like I set myself up for failure when I do that. You know, stop loss barely gets hit, and then you jump in 10 pips lower. right? So just get that back. Okay. These are big areas right here because we got the 1 minute EMA and IOC right here. Let me show you guys. You got the EMA and this. So move your stops to break even if I were you. And I know you guys are up here more. And then, yeah, watch this because this is a key area right here. Price could reject this. They got two confirmations, right? With the small breaker structure above these highs, even though it's on the 1 minute time frame, you know, it's an obstacle that you got to get through, right? So I'm moving my stops, even though I guess I haven't learned yet. I just don't trust it all the way, I guess. I'm moving my stops to break even. Um, I don't know. I guess I'm not in the mood to lose today, so put them in at 601. See if it goes our way. Kind of broke below the ILC, but remember this ILC has been used as support, support, resistance, resistance, and you can see it's already support, right? And see if it could reject this 1 minute EMA, use it as resistance, and come down. All right, let's see. Remember, this is a big level right here, so another obstacle we got to cross. We got through the first, well, got through these obstacles, right? The EMAs, the ILCs. Now we got through these obstacles. Now we got to get through this obstacle. See if we could do it. 5 minute just, I like the way the 5 minute finish. So let's see. And I guess if we do it the right way, like this, look at that retracement right there. 61.8, right? So let's see. Oh shit, it's getting a push. Let's see if you can finish through, right? Up about 40 pips. I'm in a little bit lower. Got stopped out up there. 30 pips. Damn. You see how that did that? Motherfucker. And hopefully it falls, because if it engulfs this, then it's coming up. You know what I mean? I'm actually in right about. Man, I hate when it does this shit. You know, this is a big thing when these 10 pips up here matter, right? Because instead of having your break even right here, you have your break even up here. That's a big difference. So, you know, let's see what it does. Hopefully it rejects this and comes down. Still a lot of time though, and it looks like it's pushing up a little bit. I mean, fuck it. Yeah, fuck it. So I'm up about 140 right now. I got a .05 in there at 603. We're up about 50 pips. And still a lot of time though. See? As soon as I say that, still a lot of time. 30 seconds left. I look bearish. It's like there's still a lot of time because it could do exactly what it's doing right here. She's about to stop me out. Fucking close. Fucking close. Yep. And it just took me out. Damn. Yeah, I mean, I think I'm gonna just call it a day after that. Uh, Retesting our area, maybe. I don't know. But before I start over trading and shit, I think I'm gonna hop off, guys, just because I don't want to over trade. I don't want to overdo it. Um, yeah, I just call it a day right here. I think price is kind of showing what it's doing, right? With the other 15 minute. Actually, the 15 minute finished. All right. I don't know if I should risk it. That shit looks like it's pushing. Right off the EMA, you see that? Like that. Haven't entered anything yet. I just got stopped out, right? So, you know what? I'm gonna step away. I gotta get better at this shit. Um, yeah, I'm gonna step away. I don't want to fucking, you know, keep trading and over trading and over trading and over trading. So let me step away. Let me just secure my $400 day. I'll take it, and we'll just leave it at that. So, fuck it. Even though I think it is coming down, um, I do think it's coming down. Uh, even though price is not price, but even though the momentum kind of looks to the upside with the rejection, I think it might just be retesting right here. Shit, you see that? See what I'm saying? There's that, but retested the 15 minute 50 EMA, rejected that. You can see it. It's fine. Sheesh. Sheesh. Mustafa. Mustafa. Damn, I really think it's coming down. Now, I could be wrong, but I think it's coming down. I don't have no positions in. I don't have anything like that, but I just want to see it. Just want to see if I'm right. Think it's coming down. Let's see. I could be completely wrong, so don't listen to me. I don't have a horse in the race right now, you know what I mean? But look at that. You motherfucker. So this is big. Like for it to come down, you can see it's using the 20 EMA here as a little bit of support. Hopefully it uses this as resistance and comes down, but you never know. It's not that strong. I forgot what this formation is called. When you see these like this candle kind of wicking up, this candle kind of wicking up, then you have that candle wick down and finish bullish. Then I forgot what that candle's called, but when it's like that, that's kind of like a continuation thing. I forgot what it's called, but it's only the 1 minute, so it could be wrong. I come down low. Let's see what I was saying. Bearish, bearish, bullish, right? The wick up here. The thing I do like is it's rejecting this EMA, right? Rejection, 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 support, rejection, rejection, support, right? So it's kind of looking like it could, but this thing right here, if it finishes bullish like this, and that means it could go, but 5 seconds left, 4 seconds left, 3 seconds left. So, oh, there it goes. It's like price isn't moving that much today, huh? Well, I guess it is. What it do? 90 pips down, 150 pips up, 100 pips down. Yeah, it's moving actually. It is moving. What I tell you right here. I'm gonna get away before I keep trading, so I almost entered a position right now. I did, but it could be going against us. But I'm gonna step away. I appreciate everybody. Trav, appreciate you for hopping on. Omar, thank you for hopping on. I hope you guys were able to make some money today, and you know, oh shit, it looks. I'm telling you, it's respecting the zone. And let's see how the 5 minutes looking. 5 minute finish roll. Even though it was bullish, it was a huge rejection wick, right? So that's why it tells me that I think price is coming down, truthfully. Oh shit, look at that. 15 seconds left. And again, this is why you got to wait for the end of the candle, because you think, oh shit, it's engulfing everything, and then it flies back up. You know what I mean? But I'm telling you, I think it's coming down. I think it is. But I'm not going to put anything. I don't recommend it. I could be wrong. See, I could be wrong. You know, you have, like I said, this little formation right here kind of signals like a push up. This little thing right here. Whoop. Usually on a bigger time frame when you're in consolidation, this little, like the 5 minute, whoop, you know, but um, the one thing that I like is that it's respecting this IOC right here, the green box that we have right here. That's what it's respecting. I like that. Yeah, there's not a lot of movement. I don't know if there's like news coming out or something. You keep coming back. Just unemployment today. And this weekend, well, I guess there's not a lot of news. Maybe natural gas storage is what they're waiting. That doesn't even really affect tech too much, you know. Yeah, see, telling you that shit's pretty spot on. You know what I mean? There's something about this zone that it's respecting. Either way, I'm getting real tempted to enter positions right now. So I'm gonna hop off. I appreciate you guys for hopping on with me. Thank you again. And you know, tomorrow's the last day of the week. Let's hop on. Let's go get this money. And I'll see you guys soon, man. Thank you for hopping on.